guys, I'm Kshitija. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm starting a new segment for my YouTube channel, which is Product of the Month. So Product of the Month means every month I will be sharing one product with you guys that I find really impressive, that I've tried and used a lot, and I would love you guys to use it. So basically it's going to be recommendations and reviews for a product that I really love. Because on my Instagram stories I keep posting recommendations and reviews for products that I really like. I don't do much of it on Instagram, but I still keep doing it. So yes, you should follow me on Instagram because I'm super active there and I keep sharing stuff in my stories and on my Instagram feed too. And by products, I mean products in every field. It could be beauty, health, kitchen products, could be furniture, could be anything. So any product that I come across that I find really impressive, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So let's just start. And today's product is press-on nails. I've been using press-on nails since a long time now, and I have been sharing pictures of my nails whenever I get my nails done, even if it's just press-on nails. And I always get responses on my stories saying these nails are really pretty and are they really press-ons and stuff like that. So I thought I should really do a video on this, and this should be the first product for sure. These are the nails that I'm wearing since the last week. And for my surprise, this is for the first time that I have tried this particular brand, and these nails are amazing. They have stayed on for more than 1 week. I put these nails on last Tuesday or something, and it's Wednesday. I think it was last Monday. So you can see these nails are really good, really good. And so I thought I need to share about this. And even these press-on nails, it's not like I wear them every single day. I wear them occasionally, not like throughout, because I want my natural nails to breathe also. Okay, so the thing is, this hand, the nails for this hand, I took them off last night because there's a drawback for people who cook when it comes to press-on nails. You have to be very careful in the kitchen, and I cook and I clean and I'm a homemaker, and that's why it was getting difficult for me to have the nails on my right hand, because I wanted to bake something. These nails on my left hand, they are really good right now. Like I don't think they're gonna come off at least for the next 2 days. So I am totally impressed. Like for good 10 days, these nails are working well. And these press-on nails come in amazing designs and colors. Like it's as good as getting nail art done and paying like $100 for it. So I would definitely go for press-on nails instead of spending like $100 to get some fancy design done. Like I'm getting super fancy stuff in $10. So yes, these press-on nails are all under $10. I haven't yet seen anything more than $10. I have tried multiple brands when it comes to these press-on nails. I'm gonna show you a few that I have right now. Okay, so these nails by Pretty Woman. I have tried another color, not this one. I have tried a gray set of nails. You need glue for these nails. Okay, these are not the self-adhesive ones. And I was not really happy with them. I think they stayed on only for like 3 days or something. I think I tried them on my last birthday or something. So, not really happy. But these nails were only for $5. So, why not? Even if they stay for like 2 days, it should be fine, right? And also another thing, before making this video, I was trying to find some press-on nails brands from India, because I have a few viewers from India too. But unfortunately, I could not find the self-adhesive ones. I could only find the glue ones, and there's not much variety, but the price is really cheap, like compared to the prices here. I found them on Amazon. The prices were like $300, $350, $400. So the price is fine, I would say, but because I haven't tried those brands on my own, I cannot really tell you which particular brand is the best. The next brand is this Kiss Manicure. So Kiss is a famous brand here. Like there's a lot of variety of manicure and pedicure things that they have. And these nails, actually they have sent these nails to me, and I really haven't tried them yet, but I really want to try them because these are unique. Reason being, they do have those adhesive tabs, plus they also have glue. So if you find using the glue more convenient, or if you're comfortable using the glue, you can go for the glue option. Otherwise there's the self-adhesive option too. So I am really looking forward to using these nails. I haven't still tried them, but I know Kiss, the brand, and their manicure sets and everything are really good. So I am going to try these on soon, and you should check my Instagram stories for that, because I'll be definitely sharing it on my Instagram about these nails. The next one is Impress Press-On Manicure. These nails are awesome. Like, no doubt they are really good. They are self-adhesive ones, and you don't need any glue. I hope you can see these nails. So I like these nails a lot because they also come with a prepping pad, which is more like a small piece of a pad which has some kind of liquid and acetone, I guess, and like oil based acetone or something, so that you can actually clean your nails and just use these nails. And the best part is this brand has nails which are even shorter in size, so it's not necessary that you have to buy the long nails only. So you can see the design and the color is really pretty. I haven't tried this shade yet, but I have tried different colors of this brand, and they're really good. These nails, I think they lasted for like 1 week. 1 week is also superb, with press-ons. And these nails were for around $8 or $9. I don't remember exactly. The next brand is Dashing Diva. It's my most favorite one. These are Magic Press long nails by Dashing Diva. I hope you can see the nails in this. So these are the ones that I'm wearing right now, and I have tried wearing the other color. I was wearing these nails during Christmas, I guess, yeah, and even during that time they lasted so well. In the end I got tired and I took them off, and these nails, you can see, they are also so pretty, and they are still in such a good position. So I looked for these nails, like if they are available in India again. So I could see this brand, or the nails by this brand. They were there on Flipkart, Amazon, I think Myntra, but everywhere it was showing out of stock. I'm not sure why, but maybe you can just look for them later, or maybe you can look for other websites, because I saw these nails were not available on Nykaa. In fact, there were no press-on nails available on Nykaa. I'm surprised. In US, these nails are available at Ulta, Sally Beauty, I think Walmart too. I bought them from Macy's, so Macy's also has these nails, and my experience has been amazing. I don't know what more I'm supposed to say. Maybe I am going to open like one packet for you guys and show what all comes along with the nails. Almost every brand has all these things inside. Okay, so these are the nails. This is the cuticle pusher. You see this? And this is the prep pad. This thing. This is like a user manual kind of thing. And also the best part, about these nails come in a set of 28 or 30 or 32 usually. So basically they come in all sizes, so you need to decide, or you need to look for the correct size for your particular nail. They have all the sizes there. I have used every single set of these nails for twice, because they come in more than 28 pieces. There are literally 2 sets of nails. So again, listen to me, for $10 you're actually getting 2 manicures done at home. So isn't that amazing? I am in love with these press-on nails. They are like the best. So because of that self-adhesive thing, the application is super super easy. All you have to do is remove any nail polish if it's there on the nails, push your cuticles back, and file and buff your nails and try to cut them off, because it will be easy to apply the press on nails on it. And while during the application, just try to push it behind, and that's it. That's all about the application. And when it comes to the removal, honestly, I have to peel them off, because once they become ready to come off, you can literally peel them off, and it's not even going to damage your nails at all. That's what I have been doing, but that's not what is recommended. I think you're supposed to put your hands in warm water or something like that. It will be mentioned in the directions on the packet. I would like to tell you why press on nails. Why am I recommending press on nails? So I used to get gel nails done, acrylic nails done, and trust me, acrylic and gel, both the manicures are going to damage your nail bed. They're going to damage your nails, and you will never get the same texture and the natural quality of your nails back. At least that is what I have experienced, and I have also seen a lot of other beauty influencers talking about this, that getting these nails done, like acrylic or gel nails or even dip manicure, it is going to ruin your nails. So after using press on nails, I have seen they do not harm your nails at all. Your natural nails are not damaged at all when you use press on nails. And that's like the major reason why I want to switch to press on nails. Also, a lot of you guys were asking for the link from where I bought these nails, so I'm going to link everything down there in the description box. Overall, it has been an amazing experience for me. This video is not sponsored at all. I am just doing this thing for myself and for you all viewers, because I really want to try and show more products to you guys, products that are really good. Like I said before, do follow me on Instagram, because I keep sharing products in my stories too. Whenever I go out shopping, even if it's a grocery shopping, even if I'm at a grocery store, if I find something really helpful or useful and really impressive, I do share it in my stories, and I get responses from people saying it was really helpful. And so you might find something helpful for yourself. So definitely follow me on Instagram, The Orange Plates. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good one. Bye bye.